Hello, we're here at Shoe Healer. It's Wednesday, is it Wednesday? Wednesday, 1 o'clock, and we've had a gentleman turn up. Tony has come up from London, and he's brought us 3 pairs of shoes. Is it 3 pairs? Yeah, 3 pairs, Tony. Yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. We've got a pair of Loake design here that have had a lovely soft sole on there. Tony really gets on with this. Nice and lightweight. I mean, these Loake design, fabulous value for money. Super soft sole on there. Barker do a similar one. Yep, great value for money with this soft sole, and really lightweight shoes and boots. Very comfortable to wear. Hello, my friend. You all right? You have to stop there and serve a customer because Paul's next door buying the coffees. So anyway, yeah, that's Tony's brought these up. These soft sole. He's also brought us some beautiful Joseph. Are these Joseph Chinis?
I think they might be
herring shoes, but. Well, Herring obviously don't make shoes, so they're made by somebody. My guess would be Chini, it would. But a lovely shoe, and Tony's not getting on with the weight of them. So what we're going to do with these is strip out all of this Dainite sole, which you all love, we all love, but we see this more and more, a little bit hard underfoot and a little bit heavy in the shoe. So we're going to strip that off and put these lightweight sole units on. Is this a sole unit you're having, Tony? Yep. Yeah. Yep, lovely. This sole unit's going to go on there. We can probably reuse a midsole, and then so Paul will strip all this off, stitch the midsole back down, and then bond this unit on here. And yeah, that will make them like trainers, super soft, super light. It is an option for you to have that done. I think it's round about £100 if you can reuse a midsole on there, but it totally transforms any shoes you've got that feel a little bit too heavy and are giving you some grief. Anyway, the next problem we have, Tony's brought us a pair of RM Williams and loves the boots, but they're just uncomfortable for him, and he said he's making his feet sweat and just getting too hot. And we've pulled the insock out, and you've got this foam insock here. Look, just a bit of fluff there. Look, get rid of that. Bit of foam on the back, and then a vinyl. Looks like a vinyl on the front. That it's a. Listen to that vinyl. I think this is the Comfort collection, and you would have thought all of that underfoot was absolutely fine, but I do understand that this vinyl is not the best. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover all of this vinyl over with a nice thin leather insole, and that will help your feet to breathe. You'll still have the comfort of this sole, but your feet won't get as warm. Tony's not the first person to complain about this with this comfort range from RM Williams. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why they're not lining in leather. Leather absorbs a bit of moisture from your foot and it keeps your feet fresher and is just cooler to walk on. So yeah, so that's another job for us to put the insole inside these RM Williams and deal with that. Okay, hopefully I will get some video of these finished and just, I'll tell you what we should do. We should weigh one of them before and after, because this is quite a heavy shoe. What size are you, Tony?
11.
Size 11. Yep. Lovely. Right, okay, we'll get these done. We'll get Tony a cup of coffee sorted out because he's come all the way from London, and yeah, we'll get his shoes sorted out and hopefully have a video of the process, which you'll have seen before, or at least finished pictures of it before Paul gets them done and gets them sent back to Tony. Okay, so we're just putting some glue in here to put the original insock down back on these RM Williams, and Rob gave me some information which he could have said, but he doesn't like saying anything because he gets slated for saying stuff. And I know what you're saying, he can't hear him, and we need to get another microphone, Rob.
We've lost it though.
I know we've lost it, yeah. We did have 2, we've lost 1.
And you're going to have forgot what I've said now, aren't you?
No, I'm not. I'm a little bit. I'm going to have forgotten. So just what you were saying about these. These are the Craft Comfort collection with the rubber sole.
Comfort Craftsman.
Comfort Craftsman
has got a sponge insole.
Right, and so that comes with a rubber insole. If you buy the
Craftsman.
Craftsman.
It's got a leather
It's got a
sole.
leather sole
And a leather
it
insole.
doesn't have, right, lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, that's just a little bit of info, and what we're doing is covering these up. I've said all this with the leather sole, just so it lets them breathe a little bit better. Okay, stop that there, and then I'm going to strip off these other shoes now. Otherwise, we might not get a video.
That's definitely not my sewing machine coming.
Morning, Rob.
Is it brought down?
Is it brought down again?
No, it's not broke down. I just turned it off because it's noisy.
What time do you call this?
Well, this is a reasonable time to get to work, isn't it? 12 o'clock. Right.
Let's go.
Let's get started on some shoes.
Paul, where are we? Have you got them stripped off, those shoes for Tony?
Did you want to see him stripped off?
Yes.
Oh,
Where are they?
oops.
Are these them?
Yes.
Are they done?
Yes.
You see, this is what I'm up against.
Sorry.
Oh gosh, that is so light. I did say we're going to weigh these just to see what the difference is. So, Tony was struggling with these. You've not...
My wife always says I'm very quick.
Does she?
Yeah.
All right. Right, so these are Tony's shoes. Paul's given them a coat of polish. He's stripped off the Dainite sole, put the soft sole on, and it's beautiful. Lost a lot of weight. I'm going to get the scales out now and just weigh one of these against the similar shoe with a Dainite on. But that just feels fantastic. That was a similar shoe to get the weight right. This is a Barker with the Dainite sole, and it does feel quite substantial. That is on there at 0.76 kgs. And the lightweight shoe here that we've just put the lightweight sole on is 0.58. So what would that be? 220 gram difference, which is quite a bit. It is quite a bit. So yeah, you would really notice that. And he'll be able to go jogging in these now because they're super soft.
Well,
you know,
the best comparison would have been to weigh the shoe before.
it would have been to weigh the shoe before and after, but you know, we didn't do that. He also had his other boots done. These are a Loake design, and they've had the same sole on as well, but these already had the lighter weight sole on. So they're done as well, ready to go out. So we missed the rebuild, but at least they're done. They're all sorted. We got to see them before they go out. Is that it? Are we all done? Anything else to say? No.
For the coffees, everybody.
Yes. Thanks for the coffees, Paul's just saying there. Two more pair of shoes that Paul's putting through that he's getting rid of. If you saw the last video, he's just giving those a tidy up. He's bought another pair of Barkers out here. Barker size 10, 30 quid. They are worn in, beautiful.
Also a sole, yeah.
Two pairs of, sole, Rob. The sole is a leather sole with a cover sole on. And so he's moved two pair. A pair went out to America. These Cheenies here, are you sure you want to get rid of those? They are stonking. Absolutely beautiful. Are you sure?
Me and you and Tom bought the same pair, if you remember.
Look at those there with a pair of jeans on. These blue Cheenie, size 10. He's got them down at £90. They've got hardly any wear on at all. They are gorgeous. They have got a dirty Brit sole. It's a Brit sole. But you've cleaned the uppers, but you've not cleaned the sole, you scruffy bleed. That's yeah. But anyway, 90 quid. Fantastic. A pair's gone to America, and yeah, fantastic. Good. He's still clearing them out. Okay.